Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like previously we have done many of the things using JavaScript language and I hope you will enjoy all the things which we have done here related to JavaScript. So in this video I'll be also telling you the thing related to JavaScript and we'll be also building a project, and today I'll be telling you what is JavaScript libraries, how to use JavaScript libraries and how to build a project using this JavaScript libraries. And then when you'll be moving to project, I'll be telling you one to one thing, what is the project and how we are building from start to end. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this amazing project of JavaScript libraries. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like because it gives motivation to me. Also subscribe on this channel, and if you want to see all the future videos, so remember to hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading soon, and that will be also giving you help moving forward. So now we'll be starting with our video today and seeing how to use the JavaScript libraries in our project and how to build an amazing project using this JavaScript library. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building the project of JavaScript libraries and we will be building an amazing tweetbox using JavaScript libraries. So I'll be telling you what is tweetbox and how to build. So tweetbox is like when we are posting anything on Twitter, so we are getting a tweetbox. So like this, we are building an amazing tweetbox in JavaScript by using this JavaScript library. So now we'll be starting to build our project. Here I will be opening my VS Code. So now when you've opened this, here I will be closing all these files because here I will be opening my own folder here. So my folder is available on my desktop and you can see this is the folder of Tweetbox. So here I will be opening this. Now when you've opened all these files, here I will be now erasing all this stuff because here I will be not needing this. Then you have to just remove this thing from here directly. Now here when you've written this, I will be now saving, then move in this. Then after moving in this file, here I will be moving in these all stuff. Then after moving here, you have to now erase these all stuff also. Then here you have to move, press Ctrl B to close the side panel. When you've done with these all things, here you have to now just do one thing. You have to open it in your default Google Chrome browser. So this is our amazing tweetbox. Here I'll be opening. You can see it is totally empty. So here I will be doing it side by side like this. Now coding side should be bigger, so I will be making this coding side bigger here and this interface side small. Here you have to move, right here div class, then I'll be writing here wrapper, then you have to write div class input box, then I will be now just writing div class and here I'll be writing tweet area like this, then right here span class placeholder, and then here I'll be writing what's, then here I will be just now moving here, writing here what's happening like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing div class, then I will be writing here input edit table like this. Then you have to write here content table, then right here is equals to, and then right here true. Right here spell check which should be false. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving, right here div class, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing input read only, then right here content table. So here I will be writing is equals to true, then right here spell check is equals to false. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving after this tag, then I will be writing div class privacy. So here I will be writing, then I will be writing I tag class FASFA dash globe, then here I'll be writing Asia. Move down, right here span, here I'll be writing everyone can reply like this. Right here div class bottom, then I will be writing UL class icons. So here when you've written this, I will be moving, right here I tag class, here I'll be writing UIL dash capture, here I will be writing, then you have to just copy this thing here by pressing Ctrl C. Here I'll be pasting it like many times I want. Then here I will be just erasing this. Right here FA dash user. Then here I will be writing FA dash. Then here I will be writing green. Here you have to move. Then I will be writing here tag which should be like FA dash map marker alt. Then here I will be just now moving here. Here I will be now just writing here FA dash file image. Then save this. Here you have to reload. You can see we are getting all this stuff now. So when you are getting these all things, here you have to move after this UL tag, right here div class content, then right here spend tag, and after writing spend tag I'll be writing class counter, right here 100. So simply here I will be writing then right here button, and then I will be writing here to it. Then you have to just move down after this tag, and after moving down here I'll be writing script source is equals to script.js save reload. So you can see we are getting this to it button. So here I will be moving down after this tag, and after moving down here you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like margin 0. Here I will be now writing padding 0. Right here box sizing which should be border box like this. Now here you have to write a tag which should be like font family. Here I will be writing Poppins, comma sans serif. Here you have to write body. Right here display flex. Right here align items center. Right here justify content which should be center. Right here min height 100 vh. Then I will be writing background, and in background I will be writing 1DA1F2. Then you have to move down right here selection color white. Right here background which should be 1DA1F2. Then you have to move down right here dot wrapper. Right here background white. So here I will be writing this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing max width 475 pixel. Right here width 100%. Right here border radius 15 pixel. Now when you've written this, I'll be writing padding 25 pixel, 25 pixel, 15 pixel, 25 pixel. Here I'll be writing box shadow 0 pixel, 10 pixel, 15 pixel RGBA. Right here 0, 0, 0.1. Then here I will be writing input box. Right here padding top 10 pixel. Right here border bottom which should be 1 pix solid. Here I'll be writing E6, E6, E6. Then you have to move down, and after moving down here I will be now just writing input box dot to it. Then here I'll be writing area. Right here position which should be relative. Right here min height which should be 130 pixel. Right here max height 170 pixel. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving down. Right here overflow y which should be auto. Right here dot tweet area. Then here I'll be writing dash webkit dash. Here I'll be writing scroll bar. Here I will be now writing width 0 pixel. Right here tweet area dot placeholder. Then right here position absolute. Then I will be writing here margin top which should be -3 pixel. Right here font size 22 pixel. Right here color 98A5B1. Then you have to move down. Right here pointer events none. Then right here tweet area dot. Then here I'll be writing input. Right here outline which should be none. Right here font size 17 pixel. Right here min height which should be inherit like this. Now here I will be writing word wrap. So here I will be writing word wrap which should be break word. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing word break like this. Right here break all. So when you've written this, here I will be moving, and after moving here you have to write to it. So here I will be writing to it area. Then you have to write here edit table. Right here position relative. Right here z index 5. Then right here dot to it area. So here I will be now just writing dot to it dash area. Right here edit table. Then here you have to now just write dot read only like this. Right here position absolute. Right here top 0, left 0. Then right here z index which should be -1. Then here I will be writing color transparent. Then right here background which should be transparent. Right here read only. Then right here highlight like this. Right here background which should be FD9BB0. Then right here input box. Right here dot privacy. So here I will be writing right here color which should be 1DA1F2. Then right here margin which should be 15 pixel 0. Then right here display which should be inline flex. Then right here align items which should be center. Right here padding which should be 7 pixel 10 pixel. Right here border radius which should be 50 pixel. Here you have to move down, and then after moving down here I will be just now writing here cursor pointer, right here transition which should be background, and in background I'll be writing 0.2 as is. Here you have to write dot privacy. Then here I'll be writing hover icons li. Here I'll be writing hover. Then I'll be writing here background. So simply you have to write background E7 F5 FE. Then here you have to write dot. So simply here I will be writing this, removing it from here. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just writing comma. So here when you've written this, here I will be writing dot privacy iTag. Right here font size 18 pixel. Then right here dot privacy span, and then right here font size which should be 15 pixel, and then right here font weight 600. Right here margin left which should be 7 pixel. Right here dot bottom, then right here display flex, right here margin top. So here after this I'll be writing 13 pixel. Right here align items, then right here center. So simply here I will be writing, then I will be writing here justify content. So simply here I will be writing which should be space between. Then I will be writing dot bottom dot icons. Here you have to move down, and after moving down here I'll be writing display inline flex. Then you have to write icons li. Right here list style none. Right here color which should be 1DA1F2. Then right here font size which should be 20 pixel. Right here margin 0 20 pixel. Right here height which should be 38 pixel. Right here width 38 pixel. Then right here cursor pointer. Right here display flex. Then right here align item center. So here I will be now writing align item center. Right here justify content which should be center. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving it here. Then here I will be just now moving down after this. Right here border radius. Then I will be just writing 50%. Right here transition. Right here background which should be 0.2 as is. Then right here dot bottom dot content. Right here display flex like this. Right here align items center. Then right here justify content which should be also in center. Save, then reload. So you can see now it is styling like tweet box here. Now when you're getting all this stuff, here I will be writing dot bottom dot container, or you can say dot bottom dot counter. Right here color which should be 333. Right here display none. Then I'll be writing here font weight which should be like 500. Then right here margin right, and here I'll be writing 15 pixel like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing padding right which should be like 15 pixel. Right here border right which should be 1 pixel solid. Right here AAB82 C2. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing dot bottom button. So here I will be writing dot bottom, and then right here button like this. Right here padding 9 pixel 18 pixel. Then here you have to write border none, and then right here outline none like this. Then I will be writing border radius which should be 50 pixel. Right here font size 16 pixel. Right here font weight which should be 700. Right here background. In background I will be now just writing here 1DA1F2. Then here you have to write color white. Right here cursor pointer. So here when you've written this, I will be moving down. Right here opacity 0.5. Right here pointer events. So here I will be writing pointer events. Then I will be writing here none. Right here transition which should be background. Right here 0.2 as is. Now when you've written this, here I will be just moving down. Right here dot bottom button. Right here active opacity 1. Right here pointer events. Then I will be writing here auto. Right here bottom button. Right here hover. Then right here background which should be like 0D8DD9. Now save this, reload. Now if I show you here, you can see we are just getting this tweet box designed. You can see this, we are just getting all like Twitter, like like when you just tweet anything on Twitter, you are getting this tweet box here. So like this, we are just getting here also a tweet box which we have built using JavaScript, and we have used JavaScript libraries to build this amazing tweet box. You can see start to end we have built this. So I hope you understand how we have built this amazing tweet box in JavaScript libraries, and I hope you understand how to build this amazing tweet box here of Twitter. And if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like to this video. And if you want to see more videos like that, like how to build these amazing things using JavaScript language, so hit a like to this video, and also subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell for which you'll be notified with all the future videos, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. So I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading, because that will be giving you help moving forward. So just now I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things. So for today, good bye.